Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the third row seat headrest and the top portion seat cover. So this all comes as a one piece, the top portion seat cover and the headrest. I did it on the right side already, and now I will show you how to do this bigger portion. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to start this little project, first you want to completely remove this middle headrest. To do that, you have like a button here on the side. You want to press it all the way in, and while you're holding it pressed, just pull this seat cover out. That's pretty easy to do. So, okay, and get it off the way. Okay, then the next step, you want to just pop out this plastic insert. Best tool to use would be like a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use a flat screwdriver, and this will just go out. Okay, so you'll have one tab here on the side, you see, and one to press on the opposite side. Then you want to remove it all the way. Then each side of this seat will have like a small zipper. You see it here? So you have to go all the way down here and pull out the end of the zipper. It should be in here. Okay, here it is, you see? Then you just want to pull this zipper all the way up to the top of the seat. I'll have to do that using both of my hands, so I can't record it, but that's quite straightforward. Okay, so this is the idea, right? And you will do the same thing on the other side as well. So just find that zipper, it's tucked in somewhere in here, and pull it out and then unzip it. Okay, I was able to find it. It was all the way in there, so I had to use my screwdriver just to kind of pry it out. Once this side is done, then you will have like a small plastic tab all along this bottom piece. I will show it to you actually on the other seat I removed. Okay, so this is the idea, you see? So you just have to pry it out and then pull out this bottom piece of the cover. So again, I'll have to use both of my hands to do it, but the idea is you just want to kind of push it down and then pull towards yourself. Okay, all done. So you see, it's quite straightforward actually. You have this plastic piece, and it's held behind this other plastic piece. So you just want to kind of, so this was in this position right here attached, so just detach it, and then you can completely lift up this bottom piece. Next step is to pull the front portion of that cover out. So you just want to grab it here on the side and pull it. That's quite easy to do actually. Okay, all the way. You want to do it all the way on both sides. Okay, you can see I can have it all the way up to here. And then you want to also pull it just over this edge right here. Okay, and on the other side as well, as high as you can. Then I will show you, you will have to remove a couple of screws. And you want to pull this lever out, so it's not on the way. Next step, you will pry out these plastic inserts, which are here to hold the middle headrest. So just want to kind of push them out. Okay, that's the idea, and this will loosen up this cover even more. Okay, so the next step is you want to go to the front part of the seat. You want to leave this cover all the way up, and then you want to remove two 13mm nuts. These nuts are holding the headrest, and you will need 13mm socket and a ratchet to remove those. Okay, so these are the nuts once removed. And now you will just have to remove a couple of Phillips screws. So you will have one mounting screw just here on the side. So what you want to do, you want to fold the seat a bit forward so you can access this one and one on the side here. Actually, it's gonna be, if you leave this up, just here on the side as well. I hope you can see it. Yeah, it's here. What you will do at this point, you will just lower top portion of the seat. So just pull this number 2 and top portion should fall down, and now you should be able to remove those 2 screws. So here is the first one. Here on the side, right here, you will find the second one, right? So you just want to remove it as well. It's a bit hard to record and work, but this is the screw I want to remove. Once these side screws are out, you will still have one screw to remove here and one in the middle right here, and also Phillips screws, so you will need Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and these are the 2 middle screws, and now there is nothing else holding this headrest and the cover in place, and you should be able to just pull it straight up and remove it. The last portion, you want to pull everything up, and once everything is off, just don't forget you still have to detach this this cable right here, which is used to lower down the headrest into the seat. And to do that, you see, you will just push it out with your screwdriver. So I'll record it a bit better like this. So you see there's like a small opening on this side. You just want to push this top pin towards the left side. I'll have to use both of my hands to do it, because I don't want to break it this way, but okay, I think I got it. Actually, okay, this is the idea, okay? And that's everything. Now you should be able just to pull this straight up and completely remove it, you see? And that's how you can replace these headrests. They come in one piece with this top portion cushion and the cover. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.